The surge module is assembled on the right side of the circuit breaker, with functions such as overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, and surge protection. The appearance is beautiful and generous, and the left side of the circuit breaker can be used together with a rec-losing switch. Multiple current specifications of the matched circuit breaker can be selected, with a wide range of applications. The anti-slip design of the handle ensures comfortable and lightweight operation, with a long service life. Normal voltage 220V. When we set the voltage above 275V, product automatic tripping